That. Just hold your hand up like that.
No flags found yet.
Let this player in.
You need to go get the red team because they were 5 feet away from me and they just started mowing me.
Okay. How many? The whole group just they overshot you.
Oh, yeah.
They shot you too much. Okay. I'll make sure. Did any of them say anything or anything?
No, I told them. I said you're supposed to be more than 10 feet away.
Bang bang. They shot you within 10 foot. Okay. I'll make sure I'll get them. Okay, the flagpole's on the bridge.
Flag spotted.
What's happening, Jake? We are running a CTF game. The guys' red team started here. They have to go to our northern fort, pick up a red flag. They have to take it all the way to the back of the property, cap it in a cone. Once they do, they pick up another red flag. And that red flag, they have to take it from there to the bridge. We have a flagpole on our bridge, and they have to raise it and defend it until time expires. That is the game mode that we're playing. We have about 43 or 44 people out here today playing. So it's gonna be a tough game. And there's barking tree spiders running around here. Just me. Oh, just me. I'm the game master. Confirmed, blue flag cap. So as you just heard, blue has got their flag. They've capped it, so they've got their second flag, and they're going to make their way to the bridge with it. Mike, has red got their flag from the North Fort yet? Hey, y'all's your flag's still at the North Fort.
What?
Y'all's first flag is still at the North Fort. Just so you can let everybody know. You can hear the woods are pretty full up around here. Red team seems to be stuck kind of in the corner over here. So I'm going to have to go give them a little advice to get them out of here. Red team, y'all need to push North Fort and get that first flag. Red team, let's push up North Fort and get your flag. This flanking path is the best way to go. Red team, y'all gonna need some force to go down there and get your flag. Say again?
Respawn.
That column right there. Four spawns. You get 3 more. And I would follow him. Y'all need to go get the flag, man. Y'all need a couple of guys that are gonna go after the objective. Blue's already got 1 cap. They picked up their second flag. Yeah, I know, but they're sending 2. Players hit, let him up. Players hit, let him up. Yeah, they need much. Somebody's got that one locked down. Uh-oh. Oh, you got it locked down. They're locking down this flank. Make sure you give them a 5 count on their spawns. Hey, you guys can ask for a 5 count too when you spawn, so if you want one, got it. You ready? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. He's alive. Players hit. Hey, let them spawn. Ask for a 5. Y'all want a 5 count? Everybody ready? Y'all ready? Whenever y'all start running, I'll start counting. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Players alive. Hey, I thought you were going to whip around behind him and...
He moved.
Oh, you should surrender it. Oh, you got tagged in the finger, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a good try. You want to count?
Yeah.
Whenever you let go of the spawn cone, I'll count you. Whenever you're ready. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Players alive.
Hey, Sam.
Copy. Go ahead.
You might want to switch some blue and reds around.
Say again. Say again, please.
You might want to switch some blue and reds around next game.
We're actually pretty even. You by yourself, buddy. Gotcha. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Players alive. And we ran into a bang bang right in front of us. No doubt. I got hit by it last week. So red team's having a tough time. Now we give him a 5 count when we say he's alive. He can get hit as much as he wants. But yeah, the one kid, hey, he tried. He ran towards objective instead of running towards cover. You want a 5 count? You want to take a break for a second? Hold on to the cone. That way you'll, and there you go. That's kind of how we do it. What's up, Mr. Alexander? You having fun? Ugh. Nice little AUG. Red team, we need to make a push. Yeah, we like them. We like that. We play. Oh, he's hardcore. You don't cross that kid. He'll light you up. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. Whenever you let go. All right. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. He's alive. Hey, Red, y'all need to get a team and push down this flank. Get your flag. I know. That's why y'all need a team. Y'all need to break this stalemate over here. We got one regular that has a P90. He's not here today. Got a couple Polarises, got a couple LMGs from the regular guys. Regular players. We've got a good group out here today. Blue team is
Hang her down.
good shooting.
Oh.
Close. It's just a win. Right now we're doing warm-up games, so we're actually just trying to get the teams balanced for the scenario game that comes up next. We run a team deathmatch, 2 capture flags every Sunday first to see the aggressiveness and the skill level. Today we're doing Red Dawn. So we got the blue team are the Wolverines. Red team would be China. And we got them tons of blue over here in the clubhouse.
What's up?
Kicking it.
I live here now.
That's right. You live here now. Look at all these blue, man. Let me get a Thunder Bee and throw in here. I'll wipe out half of your team. There's the blue flag. He's making a move. This is the toughest game mode that we got. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Players hit. Let him up. Drop the flag right there. It's all right. Go respawn. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. Hey, don't be disappointed. That's how you do it. So blue flag is there. There's the flagpole. He's got to raise it on. Blue team has pushed pretty hard and gotten a pretty good lead. Red team has yet to even make it to the North Fort and get their flag. Red team needs to work as a team more. They're kind of divided up. Get you some cover fire. Ask for cover fire before you run. Yeah, any special equipment? Here we go. Any special equipment? Any special equipment? We approve. Yeah, smoke grenades. We sell them out here. $5 a piece in Nola Gay. We have blue and purple. Y'all need a 5 count? I want to count. Whenever you let go of the cone, I'll start counting. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Players are alive. That's pretty intense, but it's intense over here too. They're trying to fight down the flank. I'm sorry, I didn't see your question before that. I was too busy giving. We haven't had anybody ask that question. I would have to actually ask. Yeah, red team still do. All right, guys, let's start calling our hits. Don't want me to call them for you. Some do. We don't at the moment. Yeah, copy that, please. Way more aggressive. But also red short staff. We got 4 more red players coming in. So they'll outnumber them after this match. One of y'all got me right in the stomach. But yeah, I just have to check. But I imagine flashbangs are okay. We would just have to, you would need a ref with you before you deployed it. Players hit, let him up. Man, they closed off that flank. Y'all can't even get to the North Fort. Y'all want a 5 count? If y'all want to back it up around the...
That's better.
There we go. If y'all can force this flank, man, on it, we're running out of time. I don't know. I think y'all's best bet's gonna be to guard and just don't let them cap.
How long?
Cone's right there.
5 seconds? Right?
Yeah, if you want to count, I'll give you a count. As soon as you let go of it, I'll start counting.
Okay.
Yeah, whenever you let go of it. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Players alive. You moved it over a little bit. Whenever you let go of it.
Wait, ready? Okay.
Yeah, bang, bang. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Players alive. Yeah, bang, bang, mercy, surrender. Whatever you decide to use is good. I know blue is getting really close to capping. Players hit, let him up. You get everything? Okay. You gotta get some, I need to get a little more. I'm gonna have to swap teams around a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go check on blue team. Sorry, y'all. Yes, melee, we have swords out here today, knives. And we have, we have special spots for snipers that shoot over 400. No, we're out on Theodore, in Theodore. Right beside Bellingraph Gardens and Home.
How deep is the water?
Just a couple feet right there.
What? What? Oh, with the blowback pistol.
That's right.
Alright. I need cover fire!
Yeah, we play on Sundays out here for you hit.
Huh?
You're hit. It bounced off your back. Just sit there.
I got soaking wet for that.
Yeah, and he fired. I mean, you almost made it. I mean, really, you did. It's $15 if you have your own equipment. It's $25 if you need equipment.
Oh, it's right there.
And we have BBs for, here it is right here. Go for it, Alexander. Go. Ain't nothing left to lose. You got 10 seconds. Hit, players hit. Another draw. Good game, everybody. All right, we'll pick up the next game. We'll pick up the next game when it starts. Just chalk the check.